Turn your book to page number.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Likith Krishna.
Good morning, Likith. Okay, now take your book and turn your book to page number 66. Okay, now here, and take your pencil also, children. Okay, we're going to do the riddles given over here. Work with your partner. Okay, since we're not sitting in the school, we will just read the question and we're going to find the answer for the riddle. Okay, and find the answers to the riddles given below. Write the correct answers from the box in your notebook. Okay, now here you're just going to write it in your textbook itself. For your exam, please make sure that you learn all these as well. Okay, first one. My name starts with R. My 6 friends and I make a bridge in the sky. Who am I?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Alrich. Okay, now the first one, first riddle. My name starts with R. My 6 page number. Okay, turn your book to page English reader.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Inchara.
What, ma'am?
Okay, now for the ones who have logged in late, please take your English reader, turn your book to page number 66. Okay, turn your book to page number 66. We're going to work out the riddles that is given on this page. Okay. Now, first one, my name starts with R. My 6 friends and I make a bridge in the sky. Who am I?
Rainbow, ma'am.
Very good.
Rainbow, ma'am.
So you're going to write, first answer, write down capital RAINBOW, rainbow.
Ma'am, where, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am. This is Nikhil.
Good morning, Nikhil. Okay, now take your English reader, turn your book to page number 66 and write the first answer in the first dash that is given here. Write down capital RAINBOW, rainbow. Okay, now next, second one. We fall from the clouds and touch the ground and make it wet. Who are
Rain, ma'am. Rain, ma'am.
Yes.
Rain, ma'am.
Drops. Very good.
Rain, ma'am. Raindrops, ma'am.
Yes, raindrops.
Raindrops.
Capital
Raindrops, ma'am.
capital RAIN, rain, drops, DROPS, DROPS. Okay.
Ma'am, what rain spelling, ma'am?
Which one, ma?
Rainbow.
Rainbow, RAINBOW. RAINBOW. That is rainbow. The second answer is raindrops. Capital RAINDROPS. Drops. 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 Okay, next third one. Turn your book to the next page. Page number 67. We nod and dance, but we are not people. Who are we?
Flowers.
Very good. Third answer, write down.
Flowers, ma'am.
Yes.
Flowers, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, write down capital LO.
Here with me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha.
What is number 2 answer, ma'am?
Second answer is rainbow. Second answer is rainbow. R-A-I-N. Rain.
Spelling, ma'am.
Which one? Okay, first answer is rainbow, capital R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Second answer is raindrops, R-A-I-N-D-R-O-P-S, raindrops. And the third answer is flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Okay, next, fourth one. I look at the sun, but I am a flower. Who am I?
Sunflower, ma'am. Sunflower, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Sunflower.
Okay, write down. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tutusha.
What is third question, ma'am?
Third question you want?
Answer, ma'am.
Answer is flowers.
Answer, ma'am.
F-L-O-W-E-R-S. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Okay. Next, the fourth.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Okay, write down the fourth answer. Fourth answer is sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Okay. Now, next one, let us write. Urvi drew some pictures about this story. She also wrote some sentences describing them. Read the sentences and write the correct sentence number next to the picture in the given box. Okay. So if you see, you can see that she's drawn some pictures, right? You can see one picture here. If you turn the page, you can see another 4 pictures that she's drawn. Okay, along with the pictures, she's also given the description of each picture. Okay, you need to match the pictures with the description that she has given. Okay, the first sentence given on page number 69, the first sentence, the sun, rain, and rainbow are in the sky. Okay, now where can you find all the 3 here? The sun, rain, and rainbow are in the sky. Okay, that is the last picture here on the same page, page number 69. The last picture here, you can write the number 1 in the box. Okay, write the number 1 in the box. Okay, now next one, the second picture. This is my garden. Okay, so this is my garden. If you turn the previous page, okay, page number 67, you can see Urvi standing and she's showing the garden, right? Okay, so next to that in the box there, write the number 2. Okay, in this box, you're going to write number 2. Okay, next, the third one, the third sentence. They will take the faded flowers to the rainbow. Okay, so they will take the faded flowers to the rainbow. Who will take the faded flowers? The sun and the rain. Okay.
Rain.
Yes, very good. If you see here on the same page, the first picture, you can see the sun, rain have taken the flowers to the sky. Okay, so next to that picture, write number 3. Okay, write number 3.
Number 3.
Next, fourth one. My flower friend is sad.
Flowers.
She will
and
soon
Write
fade.
the sun and
Okay,
rain,
she
ma'am.
will soon
Ma'am.
fade. Okay, so for that you have the picture given on page number 68. The first picture, you can see all the flowers are very sad, right? Why? Because they will
Yes.
fade away soon.
Ma'am,
Yes.
where the write the
purple.
tree, ma'am? Read picture, ma'am.
Page number 69. Against this
Number
picture, you can write number 3.
3.
Okay, against this picture, write number 3. Okay, now next one, the fourth sentence. My flower friend is sad. She will soon fade. You can see the flowers, they are very sad, right? So next to that picture, write 4. Okay,
Yes,
write
I
4
know.
next to
What
this.
question comes from?
What numbers come again?
Okay, next one. The sun and the rain have a plan. Okay, if you see, this is called the idea. Okay? Sun and the rain. Yes.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Melvin. Okay, so here if you see, you can see that the sun and the rain have come up with a plan, right? So here next to this picture, write number 5. Okay, write number 5. Okay. Now just check if you've written the correct numbers. Page number 67, for the first picture, you should have written the number 2. Okay, for the first picture, you should have written the number 2. And then on page number 68, over here, the first picture, you should have written number 4. And the second picture is 5. Okay, and page number 69, the first picture is 3. And the second picture is 1. Okay, hope all of you have written it correctly.
Yes,
Yes, very good. Okay, now, very good. Okay, now turn your book to page number 70. Okay, turn your book to page number 70. Okay, page number 70. Write the opposites of the underlined words to get a nice poem. Okay, here I love little pussy. Okay, you can see the pussy cat here, right? Okay, this poem is about this pussy. Okay, I hate little pussy, but here opposite of hate is, what is the opposite of hate? Love. Very good. Very good. Okay, so here they have written love. Okay. Okay, Evangeline, good morning. Please remember your class begins at 9 o'clock, not 9:15. Okay, please come early. You're missing a lot if you're going to log in between the class.
Not a friend. Not a partner.
Now, I love little pussy. Opposite of hate is love. So the first sentence is, I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm. And if I do hurt her, what is the opposite of do? Opposite of do is? What is it? Yes, Daivik?
Do not, ma'am.
Very good. If I do not hurt her, okay, write down. In the blank is a bracket over there. Write down D-O-N-O-T. Do not.
Where, ma'am?
Here. The third sentence here, write do not. D-O. Leave little bit of space. You will not have space to leave one finger space. Okay, so just leave little space and write N-O-T. Do not. And if I do not hurt her, she'll do me some harm. What is the opposite of some?
Think.
Hey,
Something, ma'am.
It's not something, children. It is she will do me no harm. Okay, so instead of some, you have to write in the bracket no.
no. No, no.
Take care of your pet. The pet will not hurt you, right? Okay, so same thing here. If I do not hurt her, she'll do me no harm. Okay, next one. So I will pull her tail. Is it will? What is the
I
opposite
will
of will?
not, sir.
Not, ma'am.
Good. I will not. Okay, write down W-I-N-O-T. Okay,
Not in.
will not. I will not pull her.
ಮೇಲೆ will W-I-L-L ಇದೆ, ನೀವು will not.
Okay,
W-I-L-L will.
pull her.
Not
Tail.
ಎಲ್ದಿಂಗೆ, not ಎಲ್ದಿ. Not, not.
Okay, so I will not pull her tail or drive her away, but Pussy and I together won't play. What is the opposite of won't? Won't means will not. Okay, so together
Well,
will play. Okay, write down W-I-L-L.
will, ma'am. I will.
Yes, together will play. Okay, so I will not pull her tail or drive her away, but Pussy and I together will play.
What is fourth one, ma'am?
Fourth one is will. W-I-L-L. Will. Okay. Now next one. She won't sit by my side. What is the opposite of won't?
Will, ma'am.
Will. Write down will. Write down will. She will sit by my side and I. Instead of won't, what is the opposite of?
Will, ma'am.
Yes, again you will write will. Okay, she will sit by my side and I will give her some food and she'll dislike. What is the opposite of dislike?
Like, ma'am.
Very good. Write down L-I-K-E. Like. Okay, and she'll like me because I'm unfriendly. What is the opposite of unfriendly? Opposite of unfriendly is?
Friendly, ma'am.
Very good.
Friendly, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Write down F-R-I. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Okay, F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Okay, I'm friendly and bad. What is the opposite of bad?
Good, ma'am. Good, ma'am.
Yes.
Good, ma'am.
Okay, write down G-O-D. Good.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay, now. Yes, Vishal.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, all of you have finished taking this down.
Good. Good answer.
Now I will read
Ma'am.
once again. What using the words that we have written, using the opposites that we have written. Okay, I want you all to just follow what I'm reading. Okay, I love this.
What's the sixth answer, ma'am?
Sixth answer also is will. Okay, W-I-L-L, will. Okay. Now next one, I'll just read the poem once. Okay, I love little Pussy, her coat is so warm. And if I do not hurt her, she'll do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail or drive her away, but Pussy and I together will play. She will sit by my side and I will give her some food, and she'll like me because I'm friendly and good. Okay. Now they have given you 3 stanzas here, right? What have they told you here on the next page? Now copy any one stanza you like in the place given below. Okay, so after the class, out of these 3 stanzas, whichever stanza you like, that you can just write only one stanza, any 4 lines, either first 4 or second 4 or the third 4. Okay, any 4 lines you can write it by this side, whichever you like. Okay, this you can do it after the class. Okay, now I want you to turn your book to page number 74. Okay, page number 74, you have a poem given here, Sa Sing the Sunflowers. Okay, and once we read this, based on this, we have few fill in the blanks that is given in the beginning of the lesson. Okay, we will do both. First, I'll read the poem. I'll just listen to what it says. Okay, Sa sing the sunflowers. Sa sing the sunflowers, re-ring out the red roses. Ga giggle the gulmohars, murmur the marigolds. Pa pop the pretty poppies, da dance the dahlias. Ni nod the knee flowers, sa re gama pada nisa. Okay, if someone is learning learning to sing your Carnatic music, right? You all know that sa re gama pada nisa is the notes of that of Carnatic music, right? I'm not very sure of it because I haven't learned singing. But then if anyone is learning singing, you will know Sari Gama Pada Nisa. Even if you're learning any instruments also, you should be knowing this. Okay, so here based on this Sari Gama Pada Nisa, they have used it for the flowers here. Okay, so here if you see Sa sing out the, Sa sing the sunflowers, re-ring out the red roses, Ga giggle the gulmohars, ma mama the marigolds, pa pop the pretty poppies, da dance the dahlias, ni nod the neem flowers, sari gama pada nisa. Okay, it's a very small poem. Okay, it's a very small poem. You will have to learn this poem by heart as well. Okay. Yes, Daivik.
Which page, ma'am?
Page number 74. Okay, page number 74. You have to learn this poem also. Okay, for your essay 1, you will be having till here. Okay, now turn your book back to page number. Turn your book to page number 60. Okay, turn your book to page number 60. Based on the poem that we read now, you have to fill in the blanks that is given here. Okay, so we will do this. Listen to your teacher and read out the poems. You have already heard to what I read. Okay, if I make you all also repeat after me, it's going to become very noisy. If we were sitting in the same class, it makes a lot of difference. Okay, but now if I ask you to repeat, there'll be a lot of noise. So that is why only I read the poem for you all. Okay, at home I want you all to practice reading and learning the poem as well. Okay, now here circle the suitable word that fits the blank. Sa dash the sunflowers. Ring, sing, or ding. What did we read? Sa.
Sing, ma'am.
Very good. Write down sing. Yes. The first.
Sing, ma'am.
Okay, write down sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Okay. Sa sing the sunflowers. Re dash out the red roses. Sing.
Ring, ma'am. Ring. Ring.
Very good. It is ring. Write down R-I-N-G. Ring. Okay. Ring out the red roses. Ga dash the gulmohars. Giggle, jiggle, or niggle.
Giggle, ma'am. Giggle, ma'am.
Yes, like
Giggle.
E-G-L-E. Okay.
Giggle, ma'am.
Yes, giggle. Okay, so Sa sing the sunflowers, ring out the red roses, Ga giggle the gulmohars, Ma dash the marigold. So it's a drummer, murmur, or summer.
Summer.
Very good. Write down M-U-R. M-U-R. Okay. M-U-R. M-U-R. Mohammad Marigold. Okay. Next one. Pa dash the pretty poppies. Is it stop, pop, or top?
Pop.
Pop. Very good. Okay. Write down P. Pa pop the pretty poppies. Da dash the dahlias. Is it land?
Dance.
Very good. It is dance. Write down
Dance.
A-N-C-E. Dance.
Nod, ma'am.
Next
Nod.
one. E dash the neem flowers.
Nod.
Nod. Very good. Okay. N-O-D.
Which page, ma'am?
Page number 61. Okay. 60 and 61. Okay. So all of you have written all this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now if you have written, we'll just read this again. Sa sing the sunflowers, re ring out the red roses, ga giggle the gulmohars, ma murmur the marigold, pa pop the pretty poppies, da dance the dahlias, nee nod the neem flowers. What is the last line? Who remembers the last line?
Nod, ma'am. Sarigama, ma'am.
Very good. Mama, Nisa. Very good. Okay. So here, yes, very good, Kushal. Okay. So here you have flowers reading out the red roses, ga giggle the gulmohars, ma mama the marigolds, pop pop the pretty poppies, da dahlias, nee flowers,
Dance.
comma,
Class.
Nisa. Yes, okay. You all want to repeat after me? On your own. So if I'm going to ask you to repeat, the class is going to become really noisy. Okay. I want you to learn this poem. Okay. Whatever we've written, please send it to me, and you have to learn the poem as well.
చెప్పారు ఏ యా ఫ్లవర్ లో ఫోటో పంచుకుందాం
Okay, like I told you all, for this lesson, flowers in the sky, the notes you have written in the textbook itself. So till this lesson, you have to learn. Okay, for this lesson, you have to learn from the textbook. With this, we complete our essay 1 portions. Okay, we complete essay 1 portion. Okay.
ఇలా పడి
Okay, if there is too much of background music, kindly mute yourself and then you all can talk. You will give some information now. Okay. Now we have completed in English alone, we have completed our essay 1 portions. Okay, with the lesson number 5 and poem number 5, Sa Sing the Sunflowers, we complete our essay 1 portions. Okay, please start preparing for your essay 1 exam. Okay, you will be having exam in the month of November. Okay, the date will be announced once we get all the information. Okay, but your portions for your English is whatever we have done from the beginning, your FA1 portion, your FA2 portions, along with what we have done after your FA test. Okay, so all the 5 lessons and the poems that whatever we have done, everything you have to learn. Okay.